garage door. Okay, so I've got a wall switch for my garage door opener that seems to be malfunctioning. It's old and it switches itself into the lock mode automatically, so I can't use my clicker and I can't use my code. So today I'm going to try and fix this by switching out the switch that's on the wall. I ordered one from Amazon. It's a linear garage door opener. It's a linear switch that I ordered. It was actually pretty cheap. It was only about 13 bucks. So I'm going to take you through this process. Okay, before you do this, you should shut the power off to your garage door opener just to make sure you don't get shocked. And even though this is just the switch controlling it, you still don't want to take a chance. So you want to make sure that that breaker is shut off first. This is the new switch that we ordered off of Amazon. You can see it's pretty much identical to the old switch. Interesting on the back though, it's got the same places for the wires, but then they actually made new connections here for the wire. So we're going to disconnect these wires and put the white wire here, the red wire here, and then we're going to double check it and make sure that it works.
Step 2 is to unscrew the existing wires from the circuit board on the back of the switch. As you're attaching the wires, there are some little tabs that stick up on the bottom, so just make sure you work around those as you put the wires in to tighten them up and secure them.
So that was real easy, just 2 wires. If you call somebody out, it's expensive to even get to your house. So you're looking at 40, 50 bucks just for somebody to show up, and then, you know, they charge the labor to put things on. So if you can do this yourself, it's pretty easy. Now, we do need to double check and make sure that it is working correctly and that it's that it was the switch that was faulty. And I believe it was, because when I would hit the switch and knock it around, it would work correctly, but yet, so the circuit board must have just went bad. But we're gonna turn the power on and we're gonna try it. Okay. All right, well that seems to be working. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot and see if it works good. Oh, ho, ho, yes. Okay, now that we know that it works, we can go ahead and screw it back in. Okay, so I've got it screwed in. I just want to double check that I didn't pinch any wires or disconnect anything, so I'm gonna try it again. It's working, bring it back up. Try the light switch. Light switch works great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these little plastic plugs in to just make it look a little nicer. Don't see the hole in the piece. Push those in until they're flush. So for about $13, $14 and maybe 10 minutes worth of time, we were able to fix this. And, you know, doing stuff yourself, saving money, just allows you to be free.